A quick review and study on how to balance the impact between commuter and public transport driver and or operator has been ordered by the President, as well as the feasibility of a fare hike increase for public transport vehicles as hostilities escalate between Iran and the United States of late. And never discount the potential of another round of payouts to the public transport sector moving forward. The full report from our Patrick De Jesus.
A new wave of attacks has been launched by the United States and Iran following the collapse of peace talks between the two countries. The impact: higher fuel prices after Iran once again closed the Strait of Hormuz, one of the world's major oil shipping routes. Effective today, oil companies implemented price hikes of around 2 to nearly 5 pesos per liter for diesel and kerosene. Jeepney drivers are once again bearing the brunt of the increase.
Hindi na nga ako makapagpadala ng maysa sa asawa ko eh. Puro dati papadala ko ng 900, ngayon 600 na lang.
The Pasang Mazda Transport Group has renewed its appeal to implement the proposed 1 peso provisional fare increase, which was earlier suspended in March.
Laki ng epekto po, laki ng bawas ng kita namin. Dapat po, kahit peso yan, makakadagdag din yan sa kita.
Some commuters, however, are urging the government to hold off on any fare hike.
Wag po muna po. Katulad po sa akin, nag-commute lang po ako. Minsan po nag-short ako ng pamasahe.
President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. has ordered a study on the latest impact of rising oil prices. According to Malacanang, the President directed authorities to balance the possible effects of a proposed fare increase on both transport operators and consumers. The President also ordered officials to look into possible assistance for those affected by high fuel prices.
Kapag tumaas ang presyo ng pamasahe, definitely tataas din ang mga presyo ng ibang mga produkto. So, ang nais ng Pangulo ay walang maiwan, kailangang matulungan ng lahat sa tamang pamamaraan at sa balanseng pamamaraan.
The Department of Energy earlier said oil prices may not ease until late 2026 as the situation in the Middle East remains highly volatile. Patrick De Jesus for The Nation.